Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to convert any image file into JPEG, PNG, HEIF file without using third-party app in iPhone or iPad. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Photos application. And now just tap and hold on the respective image file which you want to convert. Now just click on the share option. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here save to files. Just click on it. Now click on the save. So our first task is done. Now you can minimize it. Now just open the files application and now just tap and hold on the recently copied image file and just scroll down below. Now you'll see here one option, quick actions. Just click on it. Now you will see here convert image option. Just click on it. Now you will see here three different file format options, JPEG, PNG or HEIF. So you can select either one of this, whichever image file format you want to convert. So let me select this JPEG. Now here you can select the image size if you want a small, medium, large or original. So I'm gonna keep the original quality. So you can see here it immediately converts the respective image file into a respective image file. So let us check its file's properties. Just tap and hold on it and just click on the get info. Now you can see here the kind JPEG image file. So finally we have converted the respective image file to the respective image file format. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily convert any image file into JPEG, PNG, HEIF file without using third-party app in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.